In this video, we're going to be looking at identifying trend sites. Now, we might do this on a per region basis or a per dataset. We've looked at filtering per Australian marine region in a previous video, so let's look at filtering by a particular dataset. Firstly, to understand what to filter by, we need to look at the datasets that are available to us. You can see here there are quite a many, and there's a bit of a concentration of records in this top one here, the synthesis aggregated dataset, which forms part of our aggregated dataset. If we want to filter to just that dataset, we simply filter where the dataset name corresponds. So again here we have very similar mapping aggregations that we have for every one of our plots, and here is the data for that particular dataset. This data is actually quite interesting. You can see what resembles transects occurring in some of the sampling that's been done. We can also find trend sites with H3. This is a bit of a different idea here, but this allows us to blend different datasets and potentially perform trend analysis from different kinds of surveys over a longer time period. Here you can see that we're adding a very detailed resolution index here, H3 resolution 7. And then we're aggregating and giving ourselves a way to look at how many years we have. So rather than subbing in our regular number of records, we're subbing in how many years for our aggregate column name that we're plotting. We're also filtering that to where there's greater than 2, or greater than equal rather. This means that if the H3 index or H3 cell is displayed, then there's definitely more than 1 year there and potential for trend analysis. This gives a bit of a different representation and it's a bit sparser, but there are many trend sites that we can see. So up the top here in the Torres Strait, there are many different hexagons formulated from different datasets, and they cover spans of years. So this goes from 2000 to 2020. There's other regions as well, further down the coast and all around Australia.